common gift is what it is, that the world is still firm on its axis. Neither it is fate nor serendipity that each day presents a new opportunity. Not everyone is dealt cards the same. No great power protecting their name. Against the tide of all that is mundane, immersed in a world without a complaint, life may test you. It may have you beat. It may test you all day, every day, and repeat. But will you ever know unless you attempt? What an attempt does is ignite a flame that burns bright against your name. An attempt is like a hammer swung, the metal rattles, and fear is far flung. Attempt, 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 like a clockwork in motion. Learn, absorb, recollect, with undeterred devotion. Just give it another attempt, almost said so easily. What they cannot see is the endless journey of belief. The curtain will not rise until you attempt, even if 1,000 soft beds may tempt. It may make you sweat, it may make you cry, but you'll never know unless you try. When the world around you starts crumbling like a mindless maze, suddenly all is blurry like a heavy haze. Exhaustion creeps in with an unbearable load, casting your darkest shadows into the unknown. Then you wish there was a different life to swap. Is this the finish line? Or is this where you start? Rise again to the moment and get back to your goal. Bring back the passion from the depths of your soul. That's an attempt, wearing your heart on your sleeve. You do it all over again, because you believe. Insights IAS salutes the grit and resilience of all UPSC aspirants.